Suppose whenever we are executing a particular class, we will get all the method names displayed here. How we can, now we will discuss how we can rename these uh, predefined method names to a custom display names. So for that, custom display name for a test method. Here we have a predefined annotation known as @displayname. Here, here we can pass a custom display name with spaces or special characters or even emojis. And etc. It is this custom name can be easily useful for identifying the tests which we are running with the custom name which we have given. Like currently the methods are listed in the test results. We can give a specific name to the each method. The main purpose is like it is easily understandable by making some, like suppose we have some Jira stories or something in our agile development, we can give or assign a particular Jira ID to a particular test method which we got for fixing the bugs or anything. Now we will give a specific name for each method with the help of @displayname. I will open the calculator utils class, and after the test I'm mentioning the annotation called display name, and here I'm giving like test for equals method. Similarly, I'll copy paste this and test for not equals method. Similarly, test for null method, test for not null method. Now we will execute this particular class and we will check the result. If we see here, whatever the name which we specified for a particular method, that name is displayed here. Suppose if we don't want to use display name annotation and still we want to use the display name for each method, for this JUnit has three types of display name which are predefined, which are nothing but JUnit custom display names. JUnit generated display names. Like here the JUnit will provide the names for us, which are nothing but first one is simple, second one is replace underscore, replace underscores, and third one is indicative sentences. Indicative sentences. Here what are the uses of this particular thing is, first one, second one, So here this simple, what it will do is it will just uh, trail the parentheses of the particular method name. Suppose here we have the method name as test equals. For this method name, what it will do is it will just show as removing the parentheses or any special characters available. We can check here, like it will display as a test equals. And coming to replace underscore, if suppose our method name is test underscore equals, it will just display as expected output will be like test equals. This is the previous one. Previous method name, and after applying the replace underscore, it will the current method, new method name, output method name we can call. And while coming to the indicative method, it will just show as for this test equals method, it will show class name comma method name. Here we have the parentheses, and before method name we will have the class name here. What is the name? Calculator utils test. We will see the demo each one by one. For this we need to use the annotation called as DisplayNameGenerator at the top of the class. @DisplayNameGeneration, and we need to pass the type of the display name which we are going for, either simple or replace underscore or indicative sentence. For this we need to use a predefined class called as DisplayNameGenerator dot the type dot class. So we will see the real example now. For this particular method, I'll just comment at the display name for all the methods. And now I'll use it is the class level annotation. I'll use the @DisplayNameGeneration, which is present in org.jupyter.api.displayName, and we need to pass the type DisplayNameGenerator.Simple dot class. Now it will just trim the parentheses and will show the method names here. Now we will execute the complete class, run the complete class. If you see here, without parentheses we got all the methods. Here the order is not specified here. We will discuss about the order in the upcoming tutorials. Suppose if I have underscore, still it will display with the underscore. Since we use only the simple method, just it will trim the parentheses and it will give the method name for us. Now we will go for the second type, which is nothing but replace underscore class. Here instead of simple we need to pass replace underscore, and now if you see the result by executing all the method, see underscore is replaced with a space. If you want a demo, I will keep for all the methods underscores test underscore check underscore not. Now we will get the underscore is replaced with spaces. We can run the method from here as well. This is the second type. If we go for the third type, which is nothing but indicative sentences. So here I need to replace underscore replace with indicative sentences dot class. If we execute this, before the method name we will get the class name as well. See, calculator util test comma test not equals. Since we are using indicated sentences, it will not replace the underscores with spaces. I hope this is useful. Yeah, thank you.